everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abynah, and on this space I create all things lifestyle, vlogs and self-care related content. So kindly hit on the subscribe button to join this beautiful family, and also turn on your bells for post notifications. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I transformed my feet from this dry and uneven feet to this glowy, smooth and baby-like feet with just 2 ingredients that I was having at my disposal, and I also do believe that you have it at home as well. So without further ado, let's get the video started. Hi guys, Voice Overly here. So guys, this is the current state of my feet, and yes, I know that it looks very ugly, but never mind, that's just about to transform in some few minutes. So yeah, I'm so glad to take you guys along with me through this transformation. Let me run you through the products that I'll be using. The very first one that I'll be making use of is my apple cider vinegar, and guys, this is the key ingredient. Make sure to use the one with the mother because that really gets the work done. Moving on, I'll also need some sea salt. I will highly recommend that you use this sea salt, but if you don't have it at your disposal, you can use iodized salt. Also, I'll be making use of this Vaseline. If you don't have it, you can substitute it with some shea butter. Now to my tool, I'll be using this foot scrubber. This is the only tool that I'll be using, and this is the one that I have. There are different types of foot scrubbers, so feel free to use whichever one that you have at your disposal. So I will start by adding some hot water into a clean bowl. Now the ideal temperature of your water for this D.I.Y is supposed to be warm, so I'll make sure to correct it as I proceed. Next, I'll add my sea salt, and this is just 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Also, I'll proceed to add my apple cider vinegar, but make sure to shake it before you add it. So I only use 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Note that you have to use the one with the mother. So after that, I will just go ahead and add some cold water to make sure that I achieve the right temperature so that I don't end up hurting myself. Once I'm through, I just went ahead to soak my feet into the warm water for 10 minutes. At this point, you can just fidget with your phone or do something interesting. For me, I was really focused on this D.I.Y. I really wanted to see the transformation happening, so all my concentration was just on what I was doing. Now after 10 minutes, here was the result. As you can see, my foot was so soft to the point that I was even able to use my finger to just scratch away the dead skin. So this is what you really want to achieve after soaking your feet for 10 minutes. Afterwards, I just proceeded to use my foot scrubber to exfoliate the dead skin from my feet. Make sure to do this step very gently because the foot scrubber can be very harsh. So if you end up exerting more energy or more force or more pressure onto exfoliating your feet, you might end up hurting yourself. So as you can see, that's the amount of dead skin I was able to retrieve from exfoliating my feet. So I'll just proceed to continue until I am very satisfied with the results. So this is how my feet looks once I'm through with the exfoliating phase, and it looks very smooth and soft. So I just went ahead to rinse my feet with some cold water, and guys, I'm just loving the result. It looks amazing. It's so smooth and it feels like a baby feet. I just love it. After rinsing my feet, I went ahead to dab the excess water with a tissue paper, but you can alternatively use a towel. Now the last phase for the D.I.Y was just to apply some cream onto my feet to help me achieve that glow. So I used my Vaseline, but if you don't have the Vaseline, you can use shea butter or any other good cream that you have. So guys, this is the final result of my D.I.Y, and the outcome was just simply amazing. I really loved how it turned out. My feet was so shiny, it was so soft, and it was so glowy. And to top it all, I was so happy that I was able to achieve this by just using these basic ingredients that I was having at my disposal. So guys, I really do hope that you give this D.I.Y a try, because you will simply be fascinated by the outcome. That's the end of the video, and I truly believe that you did enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see similar contents like this on my channel. Also, do well to comment, like, share, and kindly subscribe to my channel. But before I leave, I would like to remind you that always put God first in whatever you do, strive for the very best in life, and never give up on your dreams. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!